Once again, we're here at Performance Medicine in Johnson City. I'm joined by Dr. Tom Rogers. And Doctor, we're talking about IV nutrition therapy today. And you've got a couple of guests with us today.
Right. You know, we've been doing IV nutrition therapy for quite some time, really more recently in the Tri-Cities, but I have a couple of long-time patients, Becky and Rickey Hurlock. It's interesting because they had been having to go to Florida to get these IV treatments for years. I think that's one reason why Becky, at almost age 67, looks so great, and Rickey doesn't look so bad either, not as great as Becky. But in any event, they have just received a concoction we call the Myers cocktail, which is a B vitamin combination, vitamin C. It also has some magnesium and calcium in it. But it's amazing what Rick's Boston Heart Panel reversed once he started getting these IVs, and they can kind of tell you their experience through years with IV therapy.
Well, let's go ladies first over here. And Becky, talk to us, what does IV therapy do for you, and how does it make you feel when you do it?
Well, I have a lot more energy. I feel great. I feel like, my skin for my age looks,
Really good.
pretty good. Mm-hmm. Yes, I do. And I feel all around really good.
All right.
I have a lot of energy.
Well, let's see what this gentleman over here has to say. How does it make you feel when you do when the Myers cocktail?
Definitely the energy levels you have is a lot better.
All right. And Doctor, you see this is a common story with folks that do this.
Right, especially people that are dehydrated or that really have chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, any kind of chronic illness. It works wonders. And then for people like them that are healthy anyway and just want to stay healthy, they get one of these cocktails every once in a while and just feel wonderful with it.
And how often do they come in?
You know, generally when I see a patient, I will evaluate them and kind of determine their needs. But in general, most people that come to see me with a chronic illness or fatigue, they usually do it once a week for 4 weeks, and then once a month is all they need to do it.
All right. Another success story here at Performance Medicine in Johnson City, and you can check them out on performancemedicine.net.